Hi friends! Welcome to Ethan and Emma Daily English. Let's learn English through exciting adventures. Let's go!
Ethan, Emma, come here. I found something incredible.
What is it, Grandpa? It looks like a secret map.
This map belonged to my father.
A treasure map? This is amazing! We should follow it. Yes! Let's go now.
Be careful. It's not a normal forest. Adventure time. Take this compass.
It's so beautiful here. Stay close to the map. Which way now? I don't like this place. Look! Look! This matches the map. Then we are on the right path. Is this safe? We have no choice. Don't look down! Almost there.
They found the map. The treasure will be mine.
Something is happening. The map is reacting. A cave! This must be it. It's beautiful inside. But scary too. The treasure must be here. I feel something strange. Stay close, Emma. I don't like how dark it is. These symbols are on the map. It's like the cave is alive. Oops, I stepped on something. Wait, something is moving. A secret passage! A secret passage! This is unbelievable!
The treasure will be mine first.
Huh? How do we cross this? We have to find a way. Look! A raft! It still works? Don't fall in! We're almost there! We're almost there! Hurry! The cave is collapsing! Ah! Go faster! I'm right behind you. The compass is not working. Now what? The map is guiding us. It's pointing forward. I see light. We're getting close. The symbols match the map. Try pressing them in the same order.
Finally, I found them.
I think this is the last one. Found it!
Wow. I've never seen so much treasure.
It's incredible!
Thank you for leading me here.
You followed us.
The treasure belongs to me now.
Give it back!
The floor is moving.
It's another trap!
Don't stop. We're almost out.
We're almost out!
Hurry! No! Look!
One coin came with us.
Grandpa will never believe this. Let's show him.
You actually found it.
The treasure was real.
And we did it together.
Wait,
There's another map.
Another adventure? Are you ready for another adventure?
Always.